Good day mates, welcome back to TNAL. Today we are about to do some plastic surgery. On my right, and I no need a scalpel, I got Waxco Auto Plastic Black. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, gentle reminder, wear a glove before you do this, or else. Now, don't be a plastic surgeon without a license. Here are some pro tips. First, make sure your plastic are cleaner than a germ hole nightmare. Second, if you want that shine brighter than your future, buff it in with the enthusiasm of a kid in a candy store. And that's a wrap, my friend. Waxco Auto Plastic Black, making cars look so good even the traffic light wink at them. So if you want your ride to turn head, and not just at the car show but at the grocery store too, get yourself some Waxco Auto Plastic Black. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell, or I will send my shiny plastic car after you. Thanks for joining us today on TNAL, where we turn old rust basket into YouTube sensation. Bye bye.